Hi everyone, my name is David and welcome back to my channel after this pretty long Christmas winter break. And we're gonna start with something simple, but in my opinion very useful, not many of you might know about. And we are gonna talk about mounting LED tubes to the wall or any flat surfaces without using hardware tools, nails or screws. Let me show you how to do it. But first, a list of things that you will need to proceed. First thing you will need is a paper tape, painter's tape, masking tape, call it whatever you want. Remember, it has to be the kind of tape that you can put on the wall, on the paint, and it will not destroy while taking it off. Second thing is these tiny plastic adhesive plates with holes that you can put the zip tie to. Some zip ties. Last but not least, LED tube. And since I don't have an actual light tube, I'm using this homemade version with a cable. Obviously, you should use the one that does not have a cable because it's going to look much better in the frame. All right, let's start with placing the tape on the wall. We also need to take our tube just to see the distance between our mounting points. I'm actually gonna rig it right here where you don't see the zip ties on both ends. Well, I'm gonna go somewhere here. Yeah, this should be good enough. This piece is slightly too long, so I'm gonna rip it. There we go. The reason why we put the tape first is to protect the wall, paint, or furniture, whatever you're putting the adhesive mountings to. Never put it without the tape because you're gonna destroy your wall. We take the mounting plate and put one on one side. There we go. Take the second one. I'm gonna grab the tube again just to make sure the distance is proper. So one will be somewhere here and the other right there. Boom. Next step is the zip ties. I encourage you to get the longer zip ties so you don't have to connect two of them together and make it look messy. Put the zip ties first. One. Second one. Start with one edge. And the second one. At the end, take the scissors or clippers to get rid of the remaining zip tie. And voila, there we go. Let me turn it on. And there we go. LED tubes rigged to the wall without any hardware tools. Just remember one thing, guys. Do not leave it like that overnight, otherwise the glue might get dry, the glue on the tape might get dry, and while taking off the light, you might rip off the paint. And when you're done with your shoot, simply take off the lights, starting with the tubes, clip off the zip ties, and then simply remove the tape with adhesive mount. If you liked today's video, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and I'm coming up with more. If you have any ideas of what I should do next, anything that you've seen in a music video or a film and do not know how to do it, write down in the comment section. I might be able to help you, or at least I will try. Till next.